Wow. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Wow. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Yo, enough things are going, my friend. So, Donnelly Donaldson first. Slickianna next. Update. Dead woman found on beach believed to be popular social media personality from Jamaica Observer. You know, I like to cite my source. St. James, Jamaica. A woman whose body was fished from the sea in Reading, St. James, on Friday morning, this morning, is believed to be a popular social media personality. Now, while the authorities have not confirmed her identity, social media has been littered with expressions of condolences by fans and other users. The ground, the streets are talking. People dead, them see, they know. But social media, especially these big media houses, they have to 100% confirm through coroner, through law enforcement officials, identity and cause of death before they can actually cement their sayings in words. We're waiting persons to officially identify her. We've looked at Facebook, we've looked at her, and we have made some good, solid observations. But as it relates to confirmation, we would rather the body be identified officially. A senior police official has told the Jamaica Observer online. And that is being worked on. We understand that contact was made with someone who is on the way to us, and as soon as that is officially verified as per police process, then we will just issue a full statement. He also added. The lawman, who said that the cause of death is still investigated, noted that there is a wound to the woman's head. Social media is going wild. A lot of people are saying she got one gunshot to the head. Investigators on the ground have not been able to discern that it is a gunshot injury. And I think it's because she has been in the water for some time, but they are not able to discern if it is actually a gunshot wound or if it is a wound that was inflicted by something else. The skimpily clad woman was found face down in the water in Reading, and the police were alerted, and she has a number of tattoos which are providing investigators with clues about her identity. Body of woman found on beach in St. James. All right, let's move forward. Here's an update. Shout out to Urban Islands for this. Again, I like to cite my source. Jamaica influencer Aneka Slickianna Townsend found dead in St. James. And this was published October 21st, 2022 at 4:16 p.m. Jamaica social media influencer and entrepreneur Aneka Townsend, also known as Slickianna, was found dead on Friday, today, in Reading, Montego Bay, St. James. Sources told Urban Islands that the young entrepreneur's body was found floating in the sea, close to shore, with just footwear on, naked with only shoes on. Aneka Townsend, who has 317,000 followers on Instagram, reportedly had a gunshot wound to her head. A gruesome video shared online also showed a body floating with one shoe on that resembled the same footwear that the influencer wore in her last Instagram pictures, and a tattoo on the side of her leg and butt, which closely resembles the same ones that Townsend has. Checks on her Instagram account showed that she actually shared more than a dozen posts on her Instagram account over the last 16 hours. 16 hours, and she posted over a dozen times. The last image of herself was shared 22 hours ago, and it showed her wearing nude colored foam runners shoes, some shorts, a white t-shirt, along with a purse that she was carrying. Townsend was well known in the entertainment space and was rumored to be dating Baby Sham. Now, I don't know about none of this, Urban Island say she was known to be rumored to be dating Baby Sham in 2019. Wow, wow. Yellow. All right. After she was spotted at his hotel in Kingston, and they were seen appearing cozy in a photo also. However, neither she nor Baby Sham confirmed or denied those rumors, especially since Baby Sham is a married man and has his wife, which is well known, Miss O. Slickianna was also rumored to be dating another married man, the husband of a popular dancehall artist, which allegedly led to her marriage ending. Not much else is known about Townsend's personal life except that she has a son and that she was formerly also a stripper at Taboo nightclub at its former New Kingston location. Now, on Friday, fans of Slickianna expressed shock as they grappled with the news. I've seen some people saying stuff like, "Girl, hurry up and answer my message, man. Cause nobody better not tell me that this is real." Somebody says, "Bro, her body was just floating, dog. No clothes on. And at the same sandals fuckery." One person wrote on Twitter, "Slick, say I know you please. Come live now. Our really a go on." Another person said, "Jaja, as she for real, Just look pan the tattoo them, look pan the feather pan her leg, and look. Go pan her IG and look. If I know the same feather, Jaja. The video is going to give me a nightmare. Sigh. So sorry for her son," another person said. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has not commented on the identity of the body found at Reading despite the speculations. Well, first I read you the update from Jamaica Observer, and then I read you a news piece from Urban Islands, which follows Urban News. See? It's funny because we said Donaldson, and now we said Slickianna. Not only that, funny thing is, I don't follow this female, and I never knew much about her. See? However, I watched my wife. And one day, wifey was watching some video, and I said to her not too long ago, I said, "Yeah, watch one next one of them kind of girl there, one next red girl." And she said, "Oh, I'm supporting my fellow Jamaican influencers. That's Slickianna. Her name is Slickianna. She's Jamaican." And at the first time I ever see one of her videos, and it was just recently, and just like that, poop, she's gone. No longer here. Listen, we don't claim to know anything that's going on. I'm not going to speculate on this one yet. I'm waiting for more information to come out. People are saying a lot of things behind the scenes, and eventually I will bring you a video that says the streets are talking. This is what the streets are saying. This is what we have found to be factual. This is who them catch. This is blah, blah, blah. So we're going to go the route there with this one. All I'm saying is, though, make some wise choices right now, people. The world are run a certain way, and it's been running a certain way, but these are dark times. You understand? So you have to be wise. Be wise like the serpent. God above everything. All right? Move wisely. It's not safe out here. It's not safe out here for nobody. But you have to move wise. You see it? My condolences to her family. My condolences to her son. My condolences to her remaining family members and friends. You know, I'm going to talk about how the world has changed. I'm going to talk about this social media influencer type. I'm going to talk about all that other stuff, but I will do that at a later date. To my audience, let's wait for more to come out before we start say more. In the meantime, who want to call me? It's 1-806-587-8953. Don't call my number unless you actually have something that's connected to this. My people in Jamaica, uno me attack. All right? Those who know more, say less publicly, but you can't say it to me. You don't know what we do already. Right? So link up and make we find out what really are going. in this situation. Man, another one. Walk good, my people. Walk good. I'm out. Peace.